Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to deposit money into your Polymarket account. Once you're signed in, look for the blue deposit button in the top right corner and click it. You'll see several ways to add funds. Crypto transfer, move cryptocurrency directly into your account. Card deposit, add up to $50,000 instantly, usually within 5 minutes. Bank transfer, take 1 to 2 business days with no deposit limit. Connect and exchange link accounts from Kraken, Binance, Coinbase, and more. PayPal, deposit up to $10,000, typically within 5 days. For example, if you want to deposit via card, click on it, select your currency and the amount, say 10 euros, and choose your provider. Any applicable fees will be displayed. Click Continue, and you'll be redirected to the provider like MoonPay. There, follow the prompts to complete your deposit. You might need to create a new account or sign in to an existing one. And that's it. Funds will appear in your Polymarket account, depending on the method you chose. I hope this guide from One More Guru helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.